It's stuck.
That's why I didn't want to park here. Come on, let's push him.
I can't push. Oh, you're gonna slip. Oh, you're gonna slip. And shit. It's called dusting. See, it's still snowing, but it's still dusting. You can see the snow? Yeah! Look at Alec. Come here. Look. Oh, whiskey. Did you feel that?
Daddy gotta be slow.
Oh my goodness. Turn. It's a heavy turn.
They probably cut it.
There's no D. This is how a road's been treated, but you know, they treat it early in the morning.
But they didn't plow it yet.
Careful. Whoa. Your head, Alec. 2 inches already?
You can see my feet where I ran.
Where? Oh my gosh, Daddy.
They opened the side door and I shut it and must have rocked it and it slid right on down.
And it's still snowing? No, right now. God! Look, Dave is already cleaning up, hon. Dave's already cleaning up. Oh, all the windows are open. Been a long time since we didn't have snow.
There's a little.
Sorry, I'm making a mess now. Ow! Ow, Mommy! It's flying. Yeah! And good!
have fun. Hut. Look, Daddy.
Jumps, Alex.
Look at them.
Huh?
They're stuck.
That's why I didn't want to park here. Come on, let's push them.
I can't push. You gotta run and then sit there. Whoa! I think right here, Delaney.
Scoot over this way.
Right here. I think this one's better, right? Whoa! All right, this is the second time.
We have 4 more tries.
I know, 4 more tries. Come on, ready, steady, go! Whoa! You need a little bit of water for me. That was 2. Come on. What about you move a little bit in here? I think it's more steep in here, Alec.
Come on, go.
Alec, right here.
Mommy, what?
Oh, we're gonna go up the hump. All right, ready, steady, go. Oh, that is so cute. All right, Alec, 2 more. Let's go. You're done? All right, Delaney's done. Alec's not. It's okay. Yeah, all right. 2 more for you.
Hit that jump, Mom.
I know. It's all right. He wanted to. Just let him. Go ahead, Alec. Try that one. All right. Try it. Ready? Steady? Go. Try it. Try it. You missed. You missed.
That's gonna hurt.
That's going to hurt?
Yeah, we got her going down it.
Oh, man. Alec, come on. All right. Come on. Delaney's done. We'll get to there. We'll be to there.
We're going all the way over there. We're all the way over there. It's quite safe.
Oh, okay. Come on, Alec. Last one. Let's go. No, come on, because Delaney and Daddy are in the car already. Hurry up, I'm freezing cold. Alex, move out of the way. And last one, let's go. Alright. Oh, he hurt himself. This time, right? Come on. Last one, Alec, let's go, because Daddy and Delaney are already in there. Ready? Go. Good job. Like last year, we didn't do anything. That's why. I know. Come on, Alec. It's snowing really, really, really hard. Come on. Tomorrow. Come on. We gotta have some more energy so tomorrow we can do more. Ha. Come on, Alec. Come on. You have fun? Come on. Watch out for cars. You have fun?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Why was the fastest?
You got the fastest.
I was farther down than Laney.
I know we're gonna wipe your nose. Oh, so you're the one that's really good?
And you get stuck on a hill.
It's here. Oh my God. Let's see if they're closed. They're open though. They're out. All right, 5 guys. Oh, it's snowing. It's snowing. My ear's puffing out. Alec, look! Come here, Alec! Delaney! You got my heartbeat running away. Running away. We're supposed to... Oh my gosh, copyright. We're supposed to eat in here, but no, we cannot. Because it's snowing real bad. Alec! Her family already left me. Now they're right here in the car. Oh my gosh! Look at the snow! Oh! Photo shoot. I love photo shoot tomorrow.
Yep, just learning stuff. Test yourself.